Hello everyone. In today's video, we will see a new update how to check location on Instagram. So let's get started. First, let's navigate to the Instagram app on your smartphone and then tap to open it. Here we are on the Instagram homepage. From the bottom bar, tap on the search icon which will take you to the Explorer page. Here in the search bar, type the username of the person and open up the profile. Maybe the selected account is personal or a business. Let's go to the top right of the Instagram profile and tap on the three dots. A new menu pop up on the screen. Tap on About this account option. And here you can see the Instagram account location. Let's go back and check another Instagram account location. I will search for another account. Select the profile. Again go to the top right of the Instagram profile and tap on the three dots. From this menu, tap on About this account option. And here is the location of the selected Instagram account. This is how you can check location on Instagram. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.